Good morning, students. Today, our next unit is chapter number 8, gravitation. Very first topic is Newton's law of gravitation or universal law of gravitation. As we already studied in ninth class, what is the Newton's law of gravitation? That every body in this universe attracts another body with a force which is directly proportional to product of magnitude of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Means ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੋਰਸ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਡੀਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਅਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ that force is directly proportional to product of the masses of the two bodies and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Now let if m1 and m2 are the two masses and r is the distance between them, then according to the definition or statement of the law, that is f is proportional to m1 m2, f is inversely proportional to r square, and combining these two equations, f is proportional to m1 m2 divided by r square, or by eliminating this sign of proportionality we will add equal to, and there will be one constant term that will be g. G is a universal constant. Clear? Yeah, its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram per inverse square, and its dimension formula is m minus 1 L 3 T minus 2. This is already we have done in first unit. Now next is acceleration due to gravity. This is the force of attraction exerted by the earth on a body is called gravitational pull or gravity. ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ force ਜਿਹੜੀ earth ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ body ਉੱਪਰ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, force of attraction, that is called gravitational pull or gravity we are saying. Now the acceleration produced in the motion of the body under the effect of gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. Means ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੀ acceleration ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ body ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ produce ਹੋ ਗਈ due to that gravity, that is called acceleration due to gravity. It is noted by small g and its value is 9.8 meter per second square and unit is meter per second. Dimension formula is LT minus 1. Clear? Now next is expression for the acceleration due to gravity. What will be the expression for acceleration due to gravity? Now first of all we know that according to Newton's law of gravitation, if we are having two bodies, one is earth whose mass is capital M and another body whose mass is small m, so that force F is equal to gmm by r square, where r will be the radius of the earth and the distance of two bodies will be approximately equal to radius of earth. Now according to this gravity, F is, we know that according to second law F is equal to ma. If acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, then it will be mg. So now these two forces will be equal, so small m and small m will goes, gm by r square is equal to g. Clear? So g is equal to gm by r square. Now we will study the effect of height, means altitude, or depth on the acceleration due to gravity. Means with the height and depth, how the acceleration due to gravity will change. First of all we will consider that earth as a spherical surface of mass m and radius r. ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਅਰਥ ਇੱਕ ਸਫੈਰੀਕਲ ਸਰਫੇਸ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਮਾਸ ਹੈ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ M ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਰੇਡੀਅਸ ਹੈ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ R. And at the surface ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ ਕਿ at the surface of earth acceleration due to gravity is g. Let at height h point surface ਤੋਂ h height ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ point B ਹੈ where the acceleration due to gravity is g dash, because we have to find that value. What is the effect? Now we know that already we have derived the relation for acceleration due to gravity, that is g is equal to gm by r square. This is question number 1. Similarly, at height h from the surface of earth at point B, g dash will be gm over r plus h, because r is this distance and h is distance, so total distance will be r plus h square. Now dividing question number 2 by 1, 2 by 1 g dash by g. We have to put the value gm by r plus h square gm by r square. Now these terms will be cancel out and this denominator will become numerator. It will be r square upon r plus h square. Now take r square common from denominator. Here if we take r common, then due to this square it will become r square. We have taken r square common and this r square and r square will be cancel out. Here this equation here was r ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ r square ਨੂੰ r ਨੂੰ common ਕੱਢ ਲਿਆ, then it will be 1 and h by r. This equation will be there. Now this equation is in the denominator. When it will go to numerator, its power will be become negative. So using binomial theorem and by neglecting the higher order terms, only first term we will take. Binomial theorem, 1 plus x raised to power n, it will be equal to 1 plus nx up to so on. Clear? That we have to, the higher terms we have to neglect in this case. So this will become 1 minus 2h by r. Now this g dash will be, g will goes there, g into 1 minus 2h by r and multiply g minus 2gh by r. It means that g dash is equal to g minus something. मीनस जी डैश की है, जी दे विचों कोई वैल्यू माइनस की है, मतलब घटी है. इट मीनस जी डैश इज लैस दैन जी, मतलब जी हाइट के उपर वैल्यू सी दैट इज लैस दैन द वैल्यू एट द सरफेस. सो वी कैन से दैट विद द हाइट एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी डिक्रीजेस. Clear? These topics are very important. Now next is effect of depth on the acceleration due to gravity. Now firstly we have done the height, now we will do the depth. Consider the earth as spherical surface of mass m and radius r, capital R, and we just consider that acceleration due to gravity at the surface of earth is g. Let g dash, now ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ ਕਿ अर्थ ਦੇ inside, deep inside at a distance x from the surface of earth, the acceleration due to gravity is g dash, means this distance is x. Now this total distance is r, so this distance will become r minus x. Now we know that density is equal to mass upon volume and mass will be density into volume. Now volume of this spherical surface will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Already we know that these formulas in 10th class we have done. So similarly m dash means mass of the earth inside deep, मतलब deep inside at a distance of x, but will be the mass, that will be m dash, because here mass will be change, matter will change inside and outside. So similarly rho into density will be same, rho into 4 by 3 pi r minus x, because here r is r minus x cube. Now we know that g is equal to g m by r square. Here put the value of m. M will be this 4 by 3 rho pi r cube. Similarly just cancel out the terms which we can cancel. So this only this term will become g is equal to 4 by 3 g rho pi r. This is equation number 1. Now similarly g dash, in g dash there will be g m dash by r minus x, because already this distance is r minus x, so we will put the g m dash by r minus x square. So it will be g rho 4 by 3 pi r minus x cube and this r minus x square, and these terms will be cancel out. Only term will become 4 by 3 g pi rho r minus x. See, this is equation number 2. Now divide 2 by 1, g dash by g, it will be equal to this. Now the terms which we can cancel out, then only term will become this r minus x upon r. So now divide this both terms differently, so it will be r and r goes 1 minus x by r, or g dash is by g is equal to 1 minus x by r, or g dash will be equal to g into 1 minus x by r, or multiply this g inside g minus x g by r. It means again g dash is g minus something, it means g dash is less than g. So why डेप्थ एक्सेलेरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस, मतलब चाहे हाइट है चाहे डेप्थ है, एक्सेलेरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी है जी वो डिक्रीज हो रही है। इफ यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एनी टॉपिक यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम।